What's up, YouTube? Today I'm back with another challenge. Today's challenge is going to be very new. We're going to be doing a new challenge called eating under a minute. If you guys don't know what it is, you basically have to eat your food. Take, for example, like this Jell-O, I have to eat it under a minute. That means I have to finish all of it. So yeah, that's basically what this challenge is. So I'm going to try my best to eat these 3 items under 1 minute. Each of them as in individually. Okay, I'm going to start off with the Jell-O. So, hold on. I'm going to start timer. Hold on. Wait. Okay, 3, 2, 1, now, go! I did it. The timer still counts when it's in your mouth, so that means you literally gotta eat it. Like, you gotta finish it all. Like, make sure like you swallow it whole. Well, now that one's done. That was pretty easy, honestly. Still, I don't really eat too often, even though I should. I'm underweight, really bad for me. But you know what? This might really pursue me. What the effect of this challenge is a stomachache. Okay, next is the pudding. Okay, we're gonna try to eat as much as we can under a minute. It's gonna reset, so now the timer is gonna have to start. Oh man, okay. This might be a little bit harder, but you know what? We gotta take risks. We gotta take risks. Go. So in 3, 2, 1, now go. Woo! That was, well, no, my spoon! Well, that was easy as well. Honestly, this challenge so far is not turning too bad. At least that's what I think. Oh no! I have pudding on my shorts. It's okay, I'll just lick it off. Okay, last but not least, these 5 cookies. This is gonna be hard because these cookies are not that easy to eat. I mean, in my own opinion, because look at me, I'm just really skinny. And well, I'm not sure if I can just eat these cookies. So I will try my best. Hopefully I can do it. If I don't do this, then I'm gonna be very disappointed. But I will promise you guys that I will try my best. 3, 2, 1, go! Don't do this to hard things. Well, that's out of my system. And anyways, thank y'all for watching this video. That is all for this challenge. Eating, all the items under 1 minute. So that is the newest challenge, I guess, of 2019/2020, I guess? I don't know, but thank you all. I made a really, well, not really of a big mess, but like, I just made a few crumbs. Well, I gotta get it clean. Anyways, stay productive.